Welcome back. The popularity of Thai milk tea is not diminishing any moment, not to forget that it is my favorite drink. Today, I am going to show you how you can start a Thai milk tea business using traditional method of brewing, and it is going to be batch brewing. I'm going to use the tea sock strainer to brew my tea and the typical stainless steel pitcher here. This is a 2-liter jug, and for the ingredients we are going to make use of a reduced cost ingredients. And how can we reduce the cost? We are going to use sweetened condensed milk combined with sugar. That means that you are going to use less sweetened condensed milk, and we are going to combine it with evaporated milk. And for the tea, we're going to make use of the popular Thai tea brand, which is Chatramu Red. You can use any Thai tea that you currently have available to you. Now, this video clip is perfect for those wanting to start a small business, or for those that want to brew Thai tea for friends and family and keep a batch refrigerated. The batch can be kept for at least 7 days. To batch brew Thai tea, I'm going to use a proportion which is 1 liter of hot water to 6 scoops of Thai tea. So many have been asking me, should you use a scoop or a tablespoon? What's the difference between the two? Well, a scoop is larger than a tablespoon. So if you see the recipe saying scoops, use a scoop. And if you don't have a scoop, how can you make 1 scoop from a tablespoon? So a scoop is about 4 teaspoons, and a tablespoon 3 teaspoons. So if you're making a scoop out of a tablespoon, you need 1 full tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of sugar into your jug. Pour 1 liter of hot water. Add your 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You can use white or brown. And then into the tea sock strainer, add the 6 scoops of Thai tea. Soak for at least 15 minutes. Let's make milk syrup. For milk syrup this time, I'm going to reduce the sweetness because there is a mandate, even in Thailand, that all drinks should have 50% less sweetness. So I'm going to make it 50% sweetened condensed milk and 50% evaporated milk. And this is the milk syrup. My tea is ready. Strain and squeeze the juice out of the tea sock strainer. Okay, so let's assemble our drinks. For the first drink, it is in 16 ounces cup. I need 150 ml of my brewed tea. And because we already combined condensed milk and evaporated milk, I'm going to use 45 ml of milk syrup into your brewed tea. Stir. Pour ice into your serving cup and pour your Thai milk tea mix. And this is 16 ounces cup Thai milk tea. Let's prepare the second one, 22 ounces. Most milk tea are served in large cups, so this is probably the recipe that you are going to use if you're going to make a business out of this. Okay, and into this I am going to use my same measuring cup here. I'm going to need this time 200 ml of my Thai tea. And this time I am going to need 60 ml of my milk syrup. $60 ml there. This is more than the earlier one. And then stir. It smells really, really good here. And now we are going to assemble into our cup. So once again, I'm going to fill my cup with ice. Cup full of ice, and now to pour our Thai milk tea into the cup. 22 ounces Thai milk tea and 16 ounces Thai milk tea. Now if you want to make this more premium, you can make a milk foam. Adding milk foam to your Thai milk tea will add value and also more tempting. How do you know your Thai milk tea is good enough? You can visually tell. If the color is pale, I would say immediately that that is not a good Thai milk tea. This one looks perfectly fine to me, and now it is down to the taste. How does reducing the sweetness level by 50% affect the taste of your Thai tea? I'm going to try both of them, although it's just really a change in the proportion of the tea and also the milk. This one is perfectly fine. I think that the sweetness is just right. There is a balance between the tea and also the sweetness and the milk, because Thai tea, there should be less milk than tea. And it's the same with this one. Let me see whether this is a better recipe. Absolutely the same. So do give these recipes a try. Make your Thai milk tea in batch and start selling them and start earning money from home or from pop-up cafes. So that's all I would like to share with you today. I hope this video is useful, and I'll see you again next time. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Ciao for now.